What if I told you that some solar farms in America are so massive they cover more land than entire cities? From the deserts of California to the valleys of Nevada, millions of solar panels quietly absorb sunlight every second, producing enough electricity to power hundreds of thousands of homes. These aren't just fields of panels, they're engineering mega projects worth billions of dollars, stretching across thousands of acres and helping reshape America's energy future. And by the end of this video, you'll discover the solar plant that combines enough solar power and battery storage to keep electricity flowing long after the sun goes down. Let's count down the 5 largest solar power plants in the United States. Number 5. Gemini Solar Project, Nevada. Located about 30 miles northeast of Las Vegas, the Gemini Solar Project is one of America's newest renewable energy giants. The facility generates an incredible 690 megawatts of solar power and includes approximately 380 megawatts of battery storage, allowing energy to be stored and delivered after sunset. Spread across roughly 7,000 acres of Nevada desert, the project uses nearly 1.8 million solar panels. That's enough electricity to power hundreds of thousands of homes, while reducing carbon emissions on a massive scale. Imagine driving through the Nevada desert and seeing row after row of solar panels stretching all the way to the horizon. And yet, Gemini is only number 5 on our list. Number 4. Solar Star, California. When Solar Star was completed in 2015, it wasn't just America's largest solar farm, it was the largest solar power plant on Earth. Located near Rosamond, California, Solar Star has an installed capacity of 747 megawatts DC, producing about 579 megawatts AC of usable electricity. The project uses approximately 1.7 million solar panels spread across more than 3,200 acres. At peak output, this facility can generate enough electricity for well over 250,000 homes. What's remarkable is that Solar Star helped prove utility-scale solar power could compete with traditional power generation on a massive level. But America's solar ambitions didn't stop there. Number 3. Mount Signal Solar, California. In the scorching Imperial Valley near the Mexican border sits Mount Signal Solar. This enormous project reaches approximately 794 megawatts of installed solar capacity. The facility spans thousands of acres in one of the sunniest regions in North America. The location is no accident. Imperial Valley receives some of the highest solar radiation levels in the United States, making it an ideal place to harvest clean energy nearly year-round. On a clear day, the amount of energy produced here is enough to supply electricity to entire metropolitan areas. And somehow, 2 even bigger projects stand ahead. Number 2. Copper Mountain Solar Facility, Nevada. Deep inside Nevada's El Dorado Valley lies a solar complex so large that it took years and multiple expansion phases to complete. Copper Mountain Solar Facility now boasts an astonishing 802 megawatts of capacity. The project covers roughly 4,000 acres and contains nearly 9 million solar panels. To put that into perspective, that's enough panels to create a line stretching for hundreds of miles. The complex is part of a renewable energy corridor that has transformed Nevada into one of America's solar power leaders. When the latest phase opened, Copper Mountain reclaimed its place among the largest solar installations in the country. But the number 1 project takes solar energy to an entirely different level. Number 1. Edwards Sanborn Solar and Energy Storage Project, California. Welcome to the largest solar power project in the United States. Located in Kern County, California, Edwards Sanborn delivers approximately 864 megawatts of solar generating capacity. It also includes a massive 3,320 megawatt-hour battery storage system, making it one of the most advanced renewable energy projects ever built in America. The scale is difficult to comprehend. Millions of solar panels capture sunlight during the day, while giant battery systems store energy for use at night. This means renewable electricity doesn't simply disappear when the sun sets. The project represents the future of energy infrastructure, a combination of generation and storage working together as one system. For decades, critics argued that solar power couldn't provide reliable electricity around the clock. Projects like Edwards Sanborn are proving otherwise. America's biggest solar farms aren't just producing electricity, they're transforming deserts into power plants, reducing dependence on fossil fuels, and demonstrating how large-scale renewable energy can support millions of people. From Gemini's massive battery storage system to Edwards Sanborn's record-breaking scale, these projects show how quickly energy technology is evolving. Now, here's the question for you. Would you rather see America invest more in solar farms, nuclear power, or traditional energy sources? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible stories about America's biggest engineering and infrastructure marvels.